Back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing a true JDM part for the Delsol, and I've been waiting so long to install it. I've been kind of wanting to wait a little while on doing it, but I'm just so pumped and excited to install it that I can't wait any longer. I'm also going to install a JDM 5-panel rear view mirror. I will go more in depth on that when I get downstairs to the JDM parts install. Also, if you guys ever need any custom apparel, shirts, pants, yoga pants, socks, hats, I'm pretty sure underwear, I have a good friend or my sponsor. He does custom apparel, Driveway Modded. I will leave a link down in the description, so go ahead, please check him out. He's done amazing work. So without further ado, let's get downstairs and install this true JDM car part. Okay, so this new part that I'm going to be installing has to do with this. This is the rear Delsol Garnish panel, and so this is the stock OEM one. Nothing too special, rusty. So I've already kind of unbolted everything. I didn't know how to take these off, so I did it off camera so I can get more in depth on information on how to deal with this. And I'm going to install the new JDM part. So this is the rear fog light Garnish panel. These are only offered on any JDM Honda Delsol CRXs or CRX Delsols. These are only offered in, like I said, in Japan or in the UK. I have not seen any US Delsols run these yet. I could be wrong. I know they're probably out there. I just haven't seen too much information on them. So, about to install it. And it should be a direct bolts up. Oops. So if you guys are interested on how to take this panel off, you have 6 bolts. You got 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. When I bought this panel, it used to be red, and it had a lot of surface rust in it. So what I did was I sanded it completely down, got rid of all the rust, did 6 coats of primer on the front, and then did 6 coats of primer on the back, and I also plasti dipped the back color black, just because, you know, you're not going to see it, so it's not going to make too much of a difference if it's black, white, or whatever. So now it's just pretty much all I have to do is just bolt these in and figure out how I'm going to install the fog light. This is the fog light. It will sit just like that. I don't with these US Delsols, they don't have pre-holes, so I'm gonna have to drill 4 holes in so I can actually mount this fog light so it doesn't fall out. And then I'll figure out with the wiring. I'm probably not gonna wire it up quite yet, just because I don't know how to wire things up. I'm still learning that, so I'll probably just install it just for style use, and then once I get more in depth on how to wire and solder and shit like that, then I will make it functional. So like I said, I'm gonna bolt these in. So the thing that I didn't know, for some of you guys that really need to know, is for these two bolts, they actually have rounded nuts on them. So what I did is I just grabbed a vice grip and just unloosened them, and then until it was hand tight, and I just hand tied them off. But yeah, that's the pain in the ass. Just grab a vice grip and just vice grip them off. Please be careful and not put the vice grip on too tight, so you don't damage the nut. So I've had this part, I bought this part in November of 2019, and it took 2 months to get. Yeah, 2 months from Japan. And then when I got it, I was just trying to pretty much do as much information on it as I possibly can. Now I have everything completely tightened down. I didn't tighten them too much, just because I didn't want to snap the bolts. They did look a little rusty, and I did have a couple layers of primer down. So I just didn't want to tighten them too down and then take out that primer. So now I'm going to install the fog light. So a cool trick that I was told is just to grab any sealer or grease, it don't matter, and this is just the way to mark the holes to be drilled. All right. So now I have those two marks. Now I'm going to start drilling. I got I call it a Christmas tree bit, or known as a stepper.
Around to make sure these prongs fit in that hole. So I messed up just a hair, so I'm just make those holes bigger. I also have to drill a bigger hole for this too. So I'm going to figure everything out. I'll come right back.
Alright, well that is it. It's officially installed. I feel like there could have been a way easier way to make holes so it's officially mounted. So now I'm gonna install my JDM 5-panel rear view mirror, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So I just got on installing the JDM 5-panel rear view mirror. There it is. For any of you dual sole owners, you're gonna have to take off your zoom visor, which is okay because the visors are pretty much pointless anyways. And you're gonna use the furthest bolt and the closest hole on the bracket for these. Did it on the same thing. So this installment was actually pretty easy, especially for the dual sole owners, if you guys are interested in doing that. And I also have them on my Celica, and it was even easier for them. So either way, you definitely can't go wrong. Definitely can't go wrong with the 5-panel rear view mirrors. Now, I'm actually super obsessed with these. The main reason is because it does what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to eliminate all blind spots as you drive. Definitely keeps you well aware of your surroundings while you're driving. Just because each panel is actually tilted ever so slightly, so you can honestly, all those blind spots you would normally have in an OEM mirror, those pretty much eliminates all those blind spots and allows you to actually see everything on the road. So I'm going to show you more in depth on the tilt of these 5-panel these rear view mirrors, just so you guys can get an actual idea. I would recommend these. I got these off of eBay. Oh, I don't remember, but they're pretty decently priced. They weren't too expensive, and they weren't cheap enough for to have bad quality. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you guys the rear view mirror, so you guys can actually take a look at the anglement. See, there's the first mirror, angle, 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 and then another angle. So yeah, these are one of these things I definitely do recommend getting. They're also my favorite. So let's do a complete walk around of the car to show you guys everything that I've completely got done today.
Let's go now.
Well, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I promise, from now on, the Del Sol is going to get better and better, I promise. There's a lot of things they still need to do to it in order to get it ready for ICC, but with all this time that I have, it's going to get done. So you guys are not going to regret it, sticking with this channel, because there's a lot of big things, a lot of things that I haven't even told anybody besides my brothers. That's the only people that I've told my ideas to kind of swing it upon them to see what they think of it. So that is it. Please don't forget to check out Driveway Modded's custom apparel website, and get your custom apparel today. So we'll see you guys in the next video.